Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to integrate ConvertKit in GrooveFunnels easily. If you already have both accounts, just log in and follow along with me. First of all, open your Zapier account because it acts as the bridge between ConvertKit and GrooveFunnels. After logging in, click on Create and then select Zaps. This will let you connect both platforms smoothly. After that, choose ConvertKit as your first app and GrooveFunnels as your second. Now you'll need to link your accounts. For ConvertKit, click Sign In, and it will ask for your secret API key. To find it, go to ConvertKit, click on your profile icon, then Settings, and open the Developer tab. Copy your secret API key from there and paste it into Zapier. Then click Yes, Continue to ConvertKit. Next, repeat the same process for GrooveFunnels. Click on Sign In, enter your GrooveFunnels login details, and connect your account. Once both accounts are linked, you can set up triggers and actions. For example, when someone signs up on a GrooveFunnels form, their details automatically go into your ConvertKit subscriber list. After setting your preferences, click Publish to activate the connection, and you're all done. Now your GrooveFunnels and ConvertKit are fully integrated and ready to automate your email marketing. So this is how to integrate ConvertKit in GrooveFunnels. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this.